Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix fail to load xgameruntime.dynamic link library error code 126 in Windows 11. So here, thanks to howtoconnect.com, there is some solution that you can try. So here, in order to fix it, the first method, you can try to uninstall and reinstall gaming service. You can open Windows PowerShell. Can right click this icon and search for terminal administrator. Yes, and this is the Windows PowerShell. Now here you can type this and hit enter one by one. Next, you can restart the system and launch it or launch the game. It should work now. And next solution, you can update apps from the Microsoft Store. Here we go. This is the Microsoft Store. Make sure you have a good internet connection. And here you will find library from the bottom left side. You can click updates. And next you can repair and reset gaming service. So you can access it by go to the settings and click on apps. Click on installed apps. Now you can search for the gaming services. Here we go. Gaming services by Microsoft Corporation. Click three dots and click advanced options. Here we go. You can click repair. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. This app's data will not be affected. And if this app still is not working right, you can reset it, but the app's data will be deleted. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.